Are you feeling unmotivated and struggling to achieve your goals? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with staying motivated and turning our dreams into reality. But don't give up just yet. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 easy ways you can turn motivation into success. 1. Set specific and realistic goals. The first step to achieving success is setting specific and realistic goals. This means breaking down your big goal into smaller, manageable steps and creating a plan to achieve them. This will give you a clear direction and something to work towards. 2. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a big role in your motivation levels. Surround yourself with positive people, quotes, and reminders of your goals. This will keep you motivated and on track towards achieving your dreams. 3. Stay accountable. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to stay accountable. Share your goals with friends and family and ask them to hold you accountable. You can also join a group or class that is working towards similar goals. 4. Reward yourself. It's important to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Reward yourself for reaching milestones or completing tasks. This will keep you motivated and also give you something to look forward to. 5. Take care of yourself. Lastly, it's important to take care of yourself physically and mentally. Eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's necessary. By following these 5 easy tips, you can turn motivation into success. Remember, staying motivated is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing forward and don't give up on your dreams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on achieving success.